Hi, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. I got the roguelike back here. You can see it back there. I'm gonna give you a quick look in a second, but I've been using this cup holder from Ram, and I just wanted to give you a quick look. So in case you are, you need a cup holder, right? And I'm gonna tell you, I love Ram products. They are pretty tough. They are pretty fantastic. And again, I bought this with my own money. I don't need to come here and tell you how good they are. One thing that I would tell you is that they don't look that nice. So if you're concerned about your motorcycle looking really, really nice or something like that, my idea of Ram product, they are durable and they work fantastic. They're made out of some kind of plastic. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty much indestructible. A couple things that I would say is that these mounts are being used in motorcycles. These mounts are being used on things such as boats and I think police officers and things like that, or people like that use that. So let me give you a quick look. Obviously, here's my 2009 Roguelite in case you never seen it. I love this thing. Loving the backrest back here. I'm telling you, this thing is like something else. Really, really something else. And as you can see, I got a couple different things in here. Make it look a little bit cloudy if you're looking to essentially have something really, really clean. But I just don't care, right? So I have my quick Ram cell phone holder right here. This thing is fantastic for phones that are large. I'm shooting with an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So again, you can see how they're, and again, these things are pretty customizable because they actually work with this ball right here. So if I loose this up, I have the flexibility to move this up and down. And again, I got the flexibility to put something else with the same balls. You could see the ball right there. So in theory, I could move this to this and I could kind of like put him around. By the way, I always forget to say this, but make sure you subscribe to the channel. Definitely let me know what you think down below in the comment sections. I appreciate that. And here's the mount right here. So I'm going to take this right here for you to see it. So again, you can see how it attached here. Make sure you get the right one for the bars that you have. Obviously, these bars are 1 inch. So what I got is that I have this little adapter back there that actually comes with it. So again, make sure you get the right side for your bars. And then again, you see the mount right here. Now, obviously, if I loose it up, I got some flexibility where I want to put it. But I kind of like it right there. And you can see this. And again, this has like a free movement. And this is important because obviously as you drive, this thing is going to move around, right? So you want to be able to move around. And again, this is a pretty big sight right there. You can see that it has a hole in the bottom in case it rains or something like that. You could kind of see the hole right there. You see the movement. Obviously, it comes with this little thing right here. And this is kind of like one of those rubber things to keep your drink cold. And you just put it right here and that's it. And it does have a little thing right here, as you can see right there. And again, you see another attachment right there. So in theory, there has a cord that kind of goes like this and it kind of secures that in place. And again, I haven't seen the cord. I don't know if I'm supposed to have it or not, but again, I'm not going to use that because while I'm driving, I want to be able to drink. I want to be able to take it out and that's it. And to me, so far, it hasn't pushed out or anything like that. Obviously, I got a fairing. If you don't have a fairing, it may be a little bit different for you, but that's the mount right there, guys. That's how it is. That's how it looks. Here's a really good look from this side right here, so you can have an idea how it looks. And again, you do have the flexibility to set it up however you want to, but again, that's a pretty good look right there. And I love this setup right here because I tell you what, you could set it up back here if you have bars back here, if you have bars, any other kind of bars and stuff like that. It works really, really well, and you can kind of see the bike right there. Again, you know what? I come to find out that if you do long rides, you do want to stay hydrated. Sometimes we're not stopping for an hour or something more. So again, it's kind of nice to have a little bit of water right there, or soda, or even coffee if you want coffee. I'm a coffee drinker, so I will have coffee there. So again, that's kind of like a look right there. And like I said, these mounts for Rams are now like super fantastic. Really now, they don't look like super amazing or anything like that. But I tell you what, my experience so far is that they are durable, they work great, and they're just pretty decent mount. I mean, I'm talking about the cell phone mount, I'm talking about the cup mount. I even have the GoPro mount as well, and it has worked just fine. So let me know what you think. Comments down below. And as always, God is in control.